Assalamu alaikum class. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are here with another business cycle theory, that is the Sunspot theory of business cycle. First of all, let me explain that what is the business cycle. Definitely the upward and downward movement of business in long run is called the business cycle. As in the previous lecture, we have studied that in the business cycle how ups and downs can occur and whatever the reasons are there, reasons or factors you can say. In previous theory we have studied six stages of business cycle, uh, the highest point was the peak point and the lowest point was the trough. So this was just about the previous recapitulation of the previous theory. But today our concerned topic is the sunspot theory of business cycle. Fine. So let's start our topic. As here it has been written that it is the oldest theory of business cycle, or we can say the first one theory of business cycle. Okay, what is sunspot? Sunspot means the changes on the surface of Earth due to violent nuclear explosion. Means due to these changings, the weather on the earth being affected. In a simple way, we can say that whatever the changes are there on the surface of sun, it can affect the weather of the earth. So directly due to change in weather, the production of agri products can be changed. As in the start, I have said that it is the oldest one theory. So definitely we can say the economy in the previous centuries was based on agriculture, as you know. So the economists believe that businesses in the agri products, or we can say the businesses on the products which are based on agriculture, it can be changed due to change in weather, and weather can be changed due to changes on the surface of sun. So due to this, this theory is called the sunspot theory. As here I have written, since economies in the olden world were heavily dependent on agriculture, changes in climatic conditions due to sunspots produced fluctuation in the agricultural output. Changes in agricultural output through its demand and input output relation affect industry. Fine. Okay. According to the economist, other earlier economists also focused on changes in climatic or the weather condition in addition to those caused by sunspot, as I have earlier explained to you. According to them, weather cycle cause fluctuation in agricultural output, which in turn cause instability in the whole economy. Like here, uh, change can occur changes due to agricultural output, and then demand can change and it can affect the industry. So in this way the businesses can be fluctuate. Even today weather is considered important in country like Pakistan, because Pakistan and India, some of the developing countries are agricultural economies where agriculture is still important. So in the years when due to lack of monsoon, or we can say the rainfall is less. So we can say in this way the agri products can be affected. Fine. So it was rightly said by the economist that businesses can be affected by the weather. So on the other hand, we can say in that era, the main reason of ups and downs in the businesses can be sunspot. But it mean that it was just oldest theory and have no importance nowadays. No, it doesn't means in the industrial economy, because some of the criticism are also there by the modern economist, like in the industrial economy, whatever the changings are there in the weather, they don't concern about it. As I have written in here, highly industrialized countries are much more subject to businesses cycle than agriculture countries. So, if an economy is there that is based on industrial products, or it is an industrial economy, so whatever the changings are there in the weather, they don't concern about it. Fine. So this was the criticism by the modern economist. Okay. Next one. Nobody can say with certainty about the nature of these sunspots and the degree to which they affect rain. What is means we are not confirmed and can't exactly say that to which degree sunspot can affect the weather. Means we don't know the degree, we can't estimate that how much it can affect the agri product as well. So this was also a criticism by the modern economist. Fine. So this was all about the sunspot theory. Inshallah, in the next lesson, we will discuss about the business theory, another business theory. Inshallah, that would be in our discussion.